Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, I've been here all day, and I've waited. I'm a little bit nervous now. Like, will it be good? Will it be all right? So, thank you very much for hanging around, like I have. Um, Benjamin, we, we grew up in Answorth, and it was a stormy place. You had the sus law. You had blues, and people were getting stabbed every other week. There was some fight or something going on all the time. So it was a very term. You can see why he wrote what he wrote and why he was who he was. But anyway, I saw him. We met up about 6 months before he passed on. But I was talking about maybe doing something together. So when he passed on, it kind of got to me. So I got inspired to write this particular song. Um, like Benjamin, it just came out of the air. I think I didn't really sit down and go, yeah, I must write it this way and write it that way. Just, so I hope you like it. I'm gonna ask the man to play the backing track. By the way, I was supposed to play the guitar today. I packed everything up in the car to come down from Birmingham, and I left the guitar. Serious. It's never happened before. But anyway, here we go. Yeah. It's called True Revolutionary if you want to join in.
Thank you.
sadly, that's just the one song I've got for. That's just the one song I'm doing. Thank you very much, and all the best to you. Have a good day. Good evening.